Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Today we're going to be working on an Epson WF-4630 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you've ever noticed that whenever you send a print job to your printer from your computer, everything comes out just fine. But as soon as you go to make a copy or a scan of a document, you start getting blemishes, lines, anything like that. That's going to indicate that there's something dirty on your scanner glass. So, depending on how you're using your scanner or copier, whether you're using the top document feeder, or if it opens up, if you're using the flatbed scanner, you'll notice that once you open it up, there's actually two separate pieces of glass on your scanner. There's the big flatbed scanner piece of glass, which takes up the majority of it, and you'll see a small strip of glass on the left side of the printer. The small strip of glass on the left side of the printer is actually what is used when you're feeding papers or documents through the top document feeder. So that's when you're noticing, which is actually what's kind of happening in this scenario. Whenever we're feeding papers to this top document feeder, we're seeing lines on the page. And that's going to indicate there's something dirty on this piece of glass on the left side of the printer. So in order to clean it, we're going to use our favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner, you can use rubbing alcohol and a lint-free cloth. So the biggest thing to learn is to never apply your cleaner directly to the glass. Always apply it to your cloth. If you apply your cleaner directly to your glass, you run a high risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass and causing a lot more problems. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. And it doesn't take much. Alright, so we'll come over, and you can kind of usually get a little visual inspection and see where you need to focus your cleaning on. You'll usually find ink, whiteout, sometimes a piece of tape, something like that. That's usually what's going to be causing most of your problems. So you just want to go over it, clean it really well. Make sure that there's nothing left on it. And even after you wipe it off, just kind of look it over one more time. You might have missed a little spot. Sometimes they can be a little stubborn to get off. And then while we're here, we'll go ahead and just wipe off the flatbed scanner, just because they're prone for fingerprints and dust and things like that, so why not spend an extra few seconds to just wipe that off as well. So overall, I'm happy with the way that looks. So what I'll do now is I'll close the top of this, and I'd recommend running a couple extra copies or scans, making sure that you're not getting those lines or blemishes anymore. And if you're still getting a faint line or blemish, there's probably just a little bit left that's hard to see on that glass. Just clean it one more time. That should take care of it. Other than that, you should be good to go and back up and printing.